Good morning. My name is Nosai Godero, and today I'm presenting my Lab 1 assignment, which is on working with pivot tables. I'm going to be responding to the business question from the Ontario government, who needs to know how many students are enrolled in its colleges across the Ontario province, and also wants to know how many of these students are enrolled in manufacturing-related programs. I picked my source data from this website, which is a public one, that shows all colleges in Ontario. This is the raw data. It has about 27,000 rows and 4 columns. The 4 columns are the year, the college type, the program type, and the head count. I would start creating the pivot like this. I like to add data model just in case I need to make a unique count of any of the headers. Now I have my pivot canvas. I bring in the head count under values so that it automatically sums up for me. I want to see it by college, so I put this under rules. I come to design, I select the report layout and tabular, so this helps me automatically bring in the headers. I copy this table, paste again somewhere else. I come back into the pivot table fields, remove the college type, and bring in the program type because I'm interested in seeing manufacturing. So I come in here, I type manufacturing. It brings out all manufacturing related programs. I can arrange this in descending order just for me to see it in a better light. I do the same thing for the first table in descending order. Now I create the charts. Come back in here, pivot chart, select that. So I have the first chart. I put it away like this. I do the same thing for the second table. Now I have both charts. I would create a new sheet so that I can have the charts on a separate sheet just to make it more professional. So I cut this and I paste it here. I do the same thing for the second chart. I cut and I paste it here. I come back to the first sheet. I like to reduce this just so that I can see all my data at a glance, and take out the grid lines just to have a fine canvas. I can centralize this and centralize this just to make it look beautiful. Then I come into the chart section. I would take out the grid lines, reduce the zoom to make it very visible. I can close the chart fields, then make my charts look very organized like this. Same thing for this, make it look a bit more organized like this. Now I can come in to take out the grid lines in the charts, like this, and I can put in the data labels like this, then make it look readable by arranging the orientation. Same thing for this, make it look readable by arranging the orientation like this. Lastly, I can relocate this here just so that I have proper flow. It shows me profile, business question, the raw data. Then I can rename this as summary tables and rename this as summary charts. And that concludes the presentation. Thank you.